Hi viewers, this is Peter Konunda once again, and in my previous tutorial unboxing of Behringer NX4 6000 amplifier, I promised that I would give you feedback once we test the system on site. So today we are in a fairly new church that is still being built, and we've been contracted or hired to offer sound system to the church service. So we're using a Mackie 1604 VLZ3 mixer. As you can see there, it's an analog mixing board sending signals to our Behringer NX4 6000. It's a 4-channel and an ultra lightweight amplifier. It's very light. I can actually carry it with a single hand. So I'll power this on so that you can see what happens. So there we go. It's powered on, and like I told you, we have one red power signal that shows that our amplifier is now on. I will also power our mixing board. The mixer is now on. You can see from the indicators, green lights, and the power right here. So the mixer is on. I'll then power on our microphones. I'm using GTD Audio G622 microphones. These are wireless microphones that I also shipped from the US. I am using two GTD Audio receivers, G622 receivers, and I'll power this on also. Just press on the button. One of the microphones is now on, and we can now go ahead and test how powerful is this amplifier. I have to also increase the volume on my channels and go ahead and test it. Today I am using the 4 channels, and therefore I'll push this up. Now what you can now hear is coming directly from the microphone to the mixer and then into the amplifier. You can see that from the channels going up and down. You can now see that the channels A, B, and D are lighting up. We're getting a green signal from the channels, which means that the channels are now active. Yes, you can see them on and off. If the signal is too high for the channel, then we will see 3 different signals, 2 green signals and 1 red, meaning that the channel will be clipping. So at this point, we're still good, and we can turn up the volume a little more so that we can hear what this amplifier can do. So I'll push the volumes up again so that we get the maximum volume out of this. Up, past. We're actually past the recommended signal range, but then we're still good. Ensuring that the channels are not clipping, I'm talking into the microphones, and you can hear this directly into the speakers I'm using. Today I'm only using 3 speakers, each given a channel separately. So you can see that nothing is happening. What we have is an ordinary signal and very cool air coming out of the grills on both sides, the left side and the right side. So I love the sound that I can hear from this machine. It's good. And let me play some music so that we can also hear from, we can also tell from that